Hey guys, I'm TT. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so you have to like it. And in this video, I'm just going to teach you how to get popping eyebrows. So let's get into these brows. Alright, here we go. So the first thing you want to do is brush your eyebrows up so that you can see your natural shape, the way that they grow. And then we good to go. So we're going to go in with the NYX eyebrow gel in the color espresso on an angle brush. So then you want to just line the bottom of your eyebrow, like I said, in the shape that they grow or the shape that you like. Fill it in like that. Brush your eyebrows down and do the same thing. Fill in the top. Make them meet the bottom, like connect the tail end of it, and then fill it in. You want to brush your eyebrows down and not go on top of the natural brow so that they will look a little more natural and not have like this whole boxy feel. So yeah, that's how you get a natural looking brow. Brush them down and fill them in. Yep, got the shape I like. So then I'm going to move on to the next eyebrow. Same exact thing. Line the bottom in the shape that you like. Take the tail out, brush them down. Do the same thing on top. Connect them. Check your shape. Fill them in. I don't know. This brow is giving me the flux. It's weird, but whatever. I'll fix it. So then that's a concealer brush and the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to take that and line right up underneath my eyebrow where I filled in at, just to clean it up and to carve it out. Keeping the shape that you gave your brow. And so with the concealer, when you go in, you want to use a shade that's only about one shade lighter than your natural skin tone, so that it looks more natural, and you know the lightness of the concealer is going to make your brows look freshly done. So yeah, same thing on the other eyebrow, of course. Then blending it out with just, I think it's an eyeshadow brush. And then I usually blend the concealer all the way down to my eyelids, just so I can use that concealer as a base for my eyeshadows. Blend it out. Alright, so then we're going to go on top. When you go on top of your eyebrow, you want to use your foundation shade. So mine is the Black Opal liquid foundation in the color Carob. And the reason you want to use your foundation color is so that you can avoid halo brows. Is, you know, that lightness that girls have around their eyebrows when they don't blend it out. So then, you know, it's okay for it to look a little lighter on the bottom, but not on top. Like, why you want to walk around looking like that? So, but I mean, if that's your preference, do you. But me, we not doing halo brows, not this shit, baby. So yeah, of course, same thing on the next eyebrow with your foundation color, because we ain't doing halo brows. Or maybe you are, but whatever. Blend the concealer out. You want to blend in between your brows too, because sometimes it be like a little gappy look and it look like you missed a spot. So yeah, blend it all out. My brows look a little weird. One's further in than the other, but I'm about to fix that. Alright, just cleaning it up to get rid of that boxy feel in the front. No boxy brows. We not doing those either, baby. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of the gel, eyebrow gel, just to even the brows out, since that other one was a little further in than that one. brush them up, see if I like them. Make sure they looking like sisters and not cousins. So yeah, I just went on top with a little bit of that concealer that was left on that brush just to make them natural looking in the front. And that's about it. I think I like them, so I'm going to move on. And that's the finished product. Poppin' eyebrows.